Hi guys, this is Chris and welcome to Conversion Chef. In this channel, we talk about applications to increase your conversion. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so that you won't miss any of our YouTube updates. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications we review. Please also visit our review blog, conversionskitchen.com, and mailing list conversionchef.club. Let's jump into the video. In this video, we are going to talk about Ecwid.com. Ecwid is an all-in-one e-commerce platform where you can create your online store without programming. This application is similar to Shopify. The only advantage of this application is that you do not need to install third-party applications to make use of some features that's not present. Ecwid has its own integrations that let you start with everything you need to start an online store. You have here the website builder, basic SEO settings, connecting to different marketing platforms such as Facebook, Google, Amazon, Instagram, and many more. So let's go to the application. We are looking at the dashboard of Ecwid, and as you can see here, it has the to-do list. This to-do list is a guide provided by the Ecwid team. So if you follow this to-do list, then you are already set up for your store. So you have to create your account. You may also add your store to a website or social network. You can add your products or services, review regional settings, choose how to deliver your goods, and set up payment options. So these are the basic requirements in building your online store. So just go over these steps and set up your store. Now we also have here your reports. These are the reports on the number of your visitors and whatnot. Now let's go and take a look at the different features of this application. So there are three main menus of this application. The first one is the store management, your sales channels, and the configuration. On the store management, we have here your dashboard. On the sales, you can track your orders, your abandoned carts. So what's good about this application is that it does not only help you set up your store, it also helps you increase your conversion through the abandoned cart recovery campaign that is integrated already with this application. So on the abandoned carts, it helps you follow up your customers who haven't yet checked out their products or the products on their cart. You also have here your customers and the orders. On the catalog, you have here your products. So here are the list of your products. You may add products or import them. You can also discover some of these features, like you can bulk update them, delete the products, advanced bulk editing, and there are many more features. Just go over these sections and look for the greatest features that will fit for your store. You also have here the gift cards. Okay, so the gift cards is automatically delivered through emails. You can create your gift card here. So this is also a great feature to increase your revenue and attract new customers. Now let's go to the marketing. This is one of the most important steps on building your online store. So on the marketing, you may get more traffic through advertisement across Google. You may also promote and sell on Facebook. You may also make use of the different features like your abandoned carts, your discount coupons. So there are many features on the marketing section. There are many ways to market your products, like aside from advertising it on the different platforms, you may also have here the different campaigns like the abandoned cart campaign, discount coupons, and many more. You may always play around these areas and set up these marketing campaigns. Now let's go to the overview. On the overview, you may see here the other platforms where you can sell with your products, like on Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, which is a very great feature of this Ecwid application because this is already an all-in-one application, so you do not have to install third-party applications so that you will be able to get started marketing or selling, but it's already integrated with this application, so this is very easy to use. Just set them up and you're good to go. So just set these up. You can also sell on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, and you may also sell on your website. So if you have a website that you have made through the different platforms or site builders like WordPress, you may always add your store to these WordPress websites using the official plugin from the WordPress marketplace. If you have built your store with WordPress, you may always go to the marketplace and add Ecwid. We also have here Wix, Weebly, and many more. Now let's go and set up our website. And to do that, just go to the website. You have here the overview of your website, which is your online store, the design, and the SEO settings, as well as setting up your domain name and site address. Now, to build a website through Ecwid, this is your address settings, so you may always change that so that it would be really a professional looking, as well as create or select a theme from these available themes. For example, we would like this one, like that. So just very easy, right? Just click on the theme and you will already have it on your store. Now to edit the sections, it's just on this section. So the site sections, you have here your headline and cover image, your store, your company mission, and to add a section, just click on the section and enable to show the section and save. To arrange the sections, just click on this button and just drag and drop the sections of the website or store. So just drag and drop according to your preferences and just click apply. To edit your store, just go to this section and you have here the thumbnails. You may set the thumbnail size like that. Your thumbnail aspect ratio, if you want a square or a rectangle, let's try this. And your text alignment. So it's very easy, right? Your product card border, if you want to have a product card border, just enable that. You may also have a one-page product catalog. Also, the appearance options lets you edit or customize your product appearance, your product name if you want to show them your prices, SKUs, the buy now button, your main product image, and whatnot. So just play around these areas or the customizer so that you will be able to customize your online store according to your brand. And if you are good with your online store design, just click save. So to set up your online website or online store, just go to the website and Just customize these sections to fit your brand. Now let's go to the other features with the Facebook. So if you want to sell on Facebook, you have to upgrade your plan. You may also sell on the other channels like Instagram, Messenger, and Google, eBay, and Amazon. And to do that, you just have to upgrade your plan. So to change the look of your store, just go to the configuration menu and click design. So you may set your image sizes, your image aspect ratio, and the product card details and layout, and many more. So just go over this section and customize it according to your brand. You may also set up your payment. So there are many more payment methods. Just go over this section. You also have to, of course, set up your shipping and pickup methods. So to do that, just go to the shipping and pickup section and customize each of these settings so that it would fit or suit the ways of your store. I guess that's everything about the Ecwid e-commerce platform, and I hope that you have learned something from this video. I guess that's everything about the Ecwid application. With the Ecwid application, you can already set up your online store, set up how to market your store, and increase more conversions through the different campaigns like abandoned carts, and set up payment method and shipping methods. So that's how easy it is to use the Ecwid. So if you like this application, you may see the link below on the description and install it now. So thank you for watching this video. I hope that you have learned something, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and we are happy to hear from you on the comment section. Visit our YouTube channel Conversion Chef for more videos about reviews of Shopify applications that can help you increase or boost your sales. You may also check the description below for the links of the applications and our mailing list. If you haven't subscribed yet, just hit that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified with our new updates. I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!